Oh, I'm pulling a bit of an all-nighter. I'm exhausted, but almost done. Just bouncing out right now. I've got a track that I'm using to demonstrate Native Instruments Guitar Rig 7. Yeah, I'm going to show you a bunch of the different amps, some effects, as much as I can cram in there. We've also got some stuff for bass guitar. Why don't you stick around and check it out. Well, there you have my spin on Guitar Rig 7 from Native Instruments. Man, I had so much fun with that. There's just so much to discover in there. I really love that super fast 100 high gain amplifier, man. That was gain for days. And the bass rig is a welcome addition as well. I love bass tones, but you got some new amps, pedals, and effects. There's just so much in there already. Plus you've got all of the new additions, which is great. Really a lot to discover. And you know, outside of guitar and bass, there's so many effects in there that you can apply to other areas of your mix. So you're gonna get a lot of value for this package if you're buying it for your guitar, but you'll find that you'll use it for a number of other instruments as well. So that's really added value in an already extensive collection of tools in one plugin or application. Anyways, I'll put a link in the description if you want more information about that. If you have any questions at all, I would love your thoughts on my little concoction. That's what the comments section is for. But if you did like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. And remember, you don't need a band to rock and roll. And I'll catch you in the next one. Hey you! Yeah, you! You made it all the way to the end. I'd love to know who you are. Perhaps you can let me know in the comments. I've got another video waiting for you right here if you want to check it out. And if you check the description, there's all sorts of ways to support the channel. Affiliate links, I'm on Patreon, and I've got merch. It's all in the description. And I hope to see you again in another video.